Let's dive into AI. It's everywhere, from your phone apps to product recommendations, quietly transforming our world. AI promises to solve big problems, discover new medicines, and simplify daily life. For companies and governments, it's a crucial tool for competitiveness and service improvement. But implementing AI isn't just downloading an app. It's a complex task requiring powerful computers, vast datasets, and expert teams. Enter HPE and NVIDIA, two tech giants tackling this complexity. NVIDIA's GPUs, known for gaming, power the AI revolution, while HPE provides the robust infrastructure. Together they aim to simplify AI adoption with a ready-to-go package. Imagine buying a high-performance, pre-built race car instead of building one from scratch. This partnership combines NVIDIA's AI power with HPE's secure hardware, democratizing access to advanced technology. Their goal is to make AI accessible, fast, and secure for all, without needing a PhD in computer science. It's about making powerful technology available to everyone. This collaboration is a game changer, solving the complexity problem for businesses and governments. The AI revolution is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Data is a major hurdle for organizations diving into AI. AI models need vast datasets, but sensitive data like health records and financial details can't just be uploaded to the cloud. Security is crucial. Organizations need control over their environment. Many AI solutions run in the public cloud, but some industries can't risk it. They need isolated, air-gapped environments, disconnected from the internet. Fragmentation is another issue. Different teams use different tools, creating chaos. This inefficiency makes AI hard to manage and secure. Companies need a unified approach to build and scale AI effectively. HPE and NVIDIA's collaboration addresses these challenges. They offer a cohesive system that keeps data secure and under control. This partnership simplifies AI adoption, allowing organizations to innovate safely. It's a solution to the complex AI landscape, making it accessible and secure. HPE and NVIDIA tackle AI challenges with HPE Private Cloud AI. It's a cloud-like experience in your data center, offering security and control. This turnkey solution includes computing power, storage, networking, and management software. The second generation is now available in a smaller form, accessible to more organizations. Co-developed with NVIDIA, it's built for enterprise AI workloads. Air-gapped management is a key feature, providing top-notch security. It's a digital fortress, crucial for government agencies and top-secret research. The solution supports NVIDIA AI Factory for Government, a blueprint for secure AI workloads. HPE makes it easier for government bodies to adopt AI while meeting security requirements. This collaboration removes guesswork, providing a secure path for innovation. It's a comprehensive solution for organizations needing secure AI environments. HPE and NVIDIA are paving the way for secure private AI adoption. Let's explore the gear powering this AI solution. At its core are HPE ProLiant Compute DL3808 Gen 12 servers, optimized for AI. These servers house NVIDIA's latest GPUs, like the RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition. Blackwell architecture offers a massive performance leap crucial for AI projects. HPE's ProLiant Compute XD685 server can be configured with 8 NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra B300 GPUs. For the biggest AI models, there's the NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 system by HPE. This hardware pushes AI boundaries, offering top-tier performance. The partnership ensures seamless system integration, enhancing efficiency. HPE Alletra Storage MPX 1000 supports NVIDIA's S3 ORDMA technology, doubling data transfer speed. This eliminates bottlenecks, making the system faster and more responsive. It's about getting insights from data quickly and efficiently. HPE and NVIDIA deliver a powerful integrated AI solution. Security is paramount, and air-gapped AI is a powerful solution. An air-gapped system is isolated from unsecured networks, creating a fortress against cyber attacks. This level of security is essential for organizations handling sensitive data. HPE and NVIDIA enhance this with new software features. HPE Data Fabric software includes agentic AI-powered governance. An AI agent monitors and controls data access, enforcing compliance in real time. It's like a smart security guard for your data. This combination of physical isolation and intelligent governance creates robust defense layers. It addresses fears of losing data control, enabling secure AI adoption. Organizations can leverage their data for competitive advantage without risks. Security is integral to this solution, not an afterthought. HPE and NVIDIA provide a secure private environment for AI innovation. How does this tech apply in the real world? Let's explore. In healthcare, secure AI clouds enable early disease detection and personalized treatments. Financial institutions can build fraud detection models and risk management systems securely. Retail experiences become personalized with AI-powered avatars. Manufacturing and finance benefit from AI-driven training and virtual assistants. Any industry with sensitive data can unlock its value with this platform. HPE and NVIDIA provide tools for innovation while ensuring data security. Organizations can build custom AI solutions for competitive advantage. This collaboration empowers industries to harness AI's potential safely. It's about unlocking data value and driving innovation. HPE and NVIDIA enable a new wave of secure AI applications. The future of AI is here, and it's secure and private. The AI journey is just beginning, with challenges like fragmented systems and data security. HPE and NVIDIA address these issues with a complete integrated solution. HPE Private Cloud AI, powered by NVIDIA's GPUs, simplifies AI deployment and management. Security features like air-gapped management and AI-powered governance set it apart. This partnership builds trust and control for enterprises and governments. It unlocks innovation by providing a secure environment for AI. Organizations can use their data for strategic advantage without security concerns. HPE and NVIDIA deliver real solutions for real-world AI applications. They combine hardware and software into a cohesive platform. This collaboration paves the way for AI's full potential. It's about improving healthcare, securing finances, and building a smarter world. The future of AI is secure, private, and powered by HPE and NVIDIA.